I designed these 3D printed filament shelves in Tinkercad. I wanted to use up some 6mm ply I had lying around, and I thought this would put it to good use. I do use other CAD programs, but I find Tinkercad's ideal for simple projects like this. I gave the internal slot of the bracket a 7° angle, just subtle enough so the filament rolls don't roll forward and it can't be seen as an angle when you're looking at the shelves. I recessed the screw hole slightly just for neatness so the screws went in, and I did slightly adapt the design. I put a hole in the top of the bracket so a screwdriver would go through. It's just easier to fix them. I printed 8 of these brackets for the 4 shelves, 2 at a time on my K1 Max. And these are the finished brackets. You've got the slot there with a 7° angle, and I rounded the end. There's also a hole in the top. That's the hole I added so the screwdriver went through, just for fitting really. And the plywood just slots in. And the way I fitted them, I fitted one bracket up, put the plywood in, and then fixed the other bracket on so it held it nice and tight. There was no chance of the plywood coming out. I mounted these on the back of an existing unit, and luckily enough 5 rolls fit perfectly. I wouldn't go beyond 5 rolls, not due to the weight. I think it'll take the weight fine. It's just that the plywood might bend and slip out of the slot. I'll be uploading these free to download to all the normal places, and I'll put the link in the comments. And that's it, a simple set of shelves to use up a bit of old plywood. If you like the design and like the video, please like and subscribe. It's always most appreciated, and thank you for watching.